Hello, my name is Sam. I am 9 years old. My favourite hobby is cooking. I love to help my mum in the kitchen. We cook together every Saturday. First, we put on our aprons. My apron is blue. Then, we wash our hands. This is very important. We often make pizza. First, we make the dough. Then, we put tomato sauce, cheese, and vegetables on top. My favourite vegetable for pizza is mushrooms. After that, we put the pizza in the oven. It smells delicious. Sometimes we make cookies. I like chocolate chip cookies the best. We mix the ingredients and then we put small balls of dough on a baking tray. Cooking is fun. It is nice to eat the food we make. My family always enjoys my cooking.